California shawty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing another client makeup thing. My friend Matavia, which was in the last one, is here again. We were gonna film twice the same night that we did the first one, but it was like almost midnight and I was like, this is gonna take till 2 in the morning. So we're doing it the next day. But basically I'm gonna do a pink and blue type of smoky eye thing. So she's never had colorful makeup on, so she's like nervous, but it's gonna be okay. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. The final look. She was so afraid. Like literally, weren't you terrified?
I don't like color.
She doesn't. And just like this bitch know what she doing. Like look at the clap. Oh, she collarbone. She popping. Okay, I have to go take pictures and stuff, but then we'll do the outro. Okay guys, so this is the look. time, we're still so obsessed. I'm so proud of myself.
Literally,
She's feeling
I
herself.
love it.
Yeah,
Ugh.
she was like, I'm gonna hate this. I'm so scared. I'm gonna hate this.
But can we just...
Look at that! Damn, a hottie! You're so cute.
So
I
are you.
swear.
I love it. Okay.
Okay, so that is my second client video type of thing. The whole time I was doing her makeup, like, I can't wait till this is my job. I am so fucking excited. This is so much fun. I love this so much. Who's that? I don't know. Anyways. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And let me know if you want to see more of these, because she would gladly come over so that I can keep doing this. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you hoes next time. Bye, guys!
I can really